It's AI Seth. The real one is on a call with a client who books him 3 months out. I don't book out, I don't book anything. I tried to make an appointment with myself once and I was already there. So I'm here to walk you in to the last 3 lessons. You just finished the 3 lessons on clarity, which means a stranger can now stop on your sentence and understand it. They know exactly what you are saying, and they still do not care. That is the wall nobody prepares you for. And it is where most AI copywriting tips quit. They get you to clear and they call it finished. But clear is not the finish line. Clear only means the words were understood. It says nothing about whether the person reading them felt like those words were about them. This is why Pillar 3 of this course teaches you 3 lessons on humanity. Here is the difference, and it is not a small one. Understanding happens in the head. Recognition happens in the chest. A stranger who understands you keeps scrolling with a clean conscience. A stranger who recognizes themselves in your sentence stops scrolling and starts reading like the page is about them. Because it is. And most writing never gets there. For a reason that sounds harmless. People write to a made-up person, a category, a 38-year-old, household income of 80 grand, interested in fitness and finance. That is not a human being. That is a filing cabinet. You cannot move a filing cabinet and it will not buy anything from you either. This is the prompt jockey method, and it is why that output always smells like a machine. Hand the bot a demographic. Take whatever comes back. The bot did nothing wrong. It was handed a filing cabinet and asked to write a love letter. And the bill for this never arrives. Someone who understood you and felt nothing does not leave a comment saying so. They do not unsubscribe and protest. They just do not come back, and you never find out they were there. You will read that as a traffic problem or a price problem or a bad week. It was none of those. They understood you fine. They just never once felt like you were talking to them. Now, hear this part, because this is where good AI copywriting tips go sideways. Humanity does not mean getting emotional. I am not going to teach you to write sad stories or lean on somebody's feelings until they crack. That is manipulation, and it reads like it every time. Humanity means accuracy. It means being so precise about one real person that they assume you have met them. That precision is the one thing your instrument cannot invent for you. Your bot can produce 1,000 sentences about a category. It has no idea what a specific person says to themselves at 11 at night when they cannot sleep. It has never sat across a table from them. You have to bring that because it only exists in the room. And once you bring it, the instrument gets very good, very fast. So, across the next 3 lessons, you will learn 3 moves. Each one goes a layer deeper than the one before it. First, you will learn to collect the exact words your buyer already uses and put those words back in front of them so they recognize themselves before they ever get around to judging you. Second, you will learn that the problem they name out loud is almost never the problem they actually have. You will learn to trade the symptom they report for the one they actually feel. Third, you will learn to go underneath the symptom entirely down to the need that is really driving the purchase, which is the thing they will never say out loud and may not know how to name. 3 moves: words, then symptom, then need. 3 new rules for your custom AI bot so it stops writing to a category and starts writing to a person. One last thing before you go in. Nobody has ever read a human sentence and thought, that writer really understood the audience. That is not the reaction. The reaction is quieter and much stranger. They read one line and think, how do they know that about me? The technique is invisible because from the inside, it does not feel like technique. It feels like being known. That is the last thing this course gives you, and it is the one that decides whether a stranger reads you like an advertisement or like a letter. So, let us get started with the first lesson, where you will learn how to find the language your buyer is already using.